do want to combine the absolute advancement in technologies with very human way of handling those technologies. And this is the topic to go on and on and on. I do want to leave our audience with few takeaways, okay? Where do you see the future with it? Because you did express some concerns, Stiepan did too. So where's the future in how we better handle what's in our hands now?
We have a few tools that are available and that of course need further development. For instance, regarding the operating system security, there is a big gap that needs to be filled currently, and it is being felt all across different systems, organizations, and so on. So be it mobile phones, be it in a professional or personal setting, be it corporate servers, none of them are really secure because it was not the focus. And there were very big attacks on the biggest providers of software for either mobile or server or workstation operating systems. So, you know, the usual suspects from Silicon Valley. And there is a challenge to make this secure because now people finally realize that the only good thing of what is happening recently, the only good side, that people realize that this is very much needed. We have on our side an initiative since a few years, which is called CE Unix, all in one word. And recently we made a new iteration of it for the US and all countries in a similar situation, which is CE Unix.us. And people can have a look at it. And it is a project quite ambitious to have secure operating systems, both on the mobile and server end, and possibly also workstations. There are principles that would allow that. Now it's more of a question of, I would say, barely political will to have something like that. But frankly speaking, it is a priority now for any country which depends on digital life to run, and it is the case of most of the world now. So basically, it should be any country's maybe not the top priority, but among the top priorities.
Or in conclusion,
I will add. Yes, I propose that we use your forum. So you are invited. I'll help you. That your forum is used for us humans. Love me tender, love me do, and so on. So I will join. I'm not the only one. And you can use it. You understand the problem, I know, because your whole family is physicists and we are all scientists and we are also nice people. So let's invite all of those who understand the problem. Let's join forces. We are still together and you have this forum. So I agree with technical options. I agree with ethics, but we humans, we count. We are poets. We are alive. We are well. And you have this forum, and I will gladly contribute my share, invite my friends, and we shouldn't go further away. You were with IBM, you were in various circumstances, so was I. Let's join forces, and let's increase the awareness of all our fellow humans on the planet through your forum and related topics, so that we really construct this harmony. And this harmony will bring then us humans in the front line, and then the technical aspects will follow. I think this is possible, and this is why I'm very keen and very ready to help.
Davor, absolutely. I will embrace your offer. Okay, you're responsible now, so you're not off the hook. We're going to continue our collaboration.
What is Stiepan? Because he has solutions. I have lovely proposals, but Stiepan has solutions. We need both. Both are complementary.
I'm glad to help.
We need people, and we need people who understand and who share the point of view and who can spread the goodness out there.
Yes, as you said, we love our brothers and sisters, and it doesn't matter where they are, okay? This is also quantum.
That's love. Something to think about. Yes, both gentlemen, thank you. Thank you so very much. I loved it. I loved our conversation. We're going to talk soon again. Thank you.